Good evening students, we are once again back in a lecture video for class 12th. I am Mahendra Kumar, faculty of Mount Z School for Accounts and English PGT. Children, in the last video lecture we have started non-profit organization and I have explained you question number 16 and I told you to do further questions. Today I will be explaining you the new topic which will help you to do the questions further. So now calculation of cost of consumable goods. Now there are certain goods which are used and consumed in non-profit organization, and those goods can be calculated as follows. Now there are some, so first we will be reading certain theory about it. There are some items of which the opening and closing stock is given in the question, and also the payment made for such items is given in the receipts and payment account. Such items are known as consumable goods. In other words, the items are consumed during the year, such as foodstuffs, medicines, sports materials, postage, stationery, etc. The amount to be shown in income expenditure account in respect of such items will be calculated as follows. So first you will be writing purchase of consumable goods, then opening stock, or you can write opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock, and by this you will be getting the goods consumed. Okay, so we will be doing question number 21. So here is the question for you. Question number 21. Now okay, here it is given. Now opening stock of medicines is given to us. Calculate the amount of medicine consumed to be debited to income expenditure account. जैसे opening stock of medicines given, closing stock of medicines given, amount paid for the medicines given, opening creditors given, closing creditors given. So we will be doing this question in this way. So first we will be writing here, this you will be showing an income expenditure account. So first you will be drawing the format of income expenditure account, and in this you will be showing on the expenditure side that how much medicines are consumed. First you will be writing opening stock 50,000, purchases 2 lakh, that is 2,50,000, closing stock is 45,000 more than opening stock. The opening stock was 50 plus 45 and 95. We will be deducting this amount, and then closing creditors will be added and opening creditors will be deducted, and this you will be getting the answer 1,45,000. That is the amount of which we have consumed the medicines. Now question number 23. Pay attention. Question number 23 over here. Again they are saying calculate what amount will be posted to income expenditure account. Stationery they are talking about. So opening stationery is given to us, opening creditors is given to us, advance paid is given to us, stock of closing stock of stationery is given to us, closing creditors are given to us, advance of current year is given to us, advance of this is of previous year 14 because ये हमारा 15 current year है, तो current year का भी given है, previous year का भी given है, advance given है. Now amount paid for stationery 42,000. Now again in the same way we did here also we will be doing. First we will be drawing the format of income expenditure account. On the debit side, that is the expenditure side, we will be showing the calculations of how much stationery is consumed. So here you will be writing stationery consumed colon. Now opening stock purchases 49,000, closing stock of stationery you will be deducting. Again closing creditors will be added and opening creditors will be deducted. Two more new things are added. Advance last year is always added, as I told you in the very beginning of the chapter, and advance current year is deducted. So you will be getting 54,500, and this is the amount of which you have consumed the stationery. Okay, now question number 25 they are talking about. Question number 25. Now there are certain other things also which I have to explain it to you. Question number 25, just see over here. How are the following items treated while preparing final accounts for club for the year ended? Sale of sports material is given, creditors for sport material is given. Okay, then we are given cash purchase of stored material, sports material, opening, closing, creditors, opening, closing. अब इसको कैसे हमें शो करना है? तो फर्स्ट वी विल बी ड्राइंग द opening balance sheet as well as the closing balance sheet. So in the opening balance sheet we will be writing opening sports material and opening creditors. Here again we will be writing closing sports material and closing creditors. Rest of the calculation will be done in income expenditure account. Again on the debit side, first we will be drawing the format of income expenditure account, and then after that we will be explaining how much sports equipments are consumed. Sports material and opening stock purchases you will be adding, closing stock you will be deducting, closing creditors you will be adding, opening creditors you will be deducting, then cash purchases again you will be adding because ये हमने additional purchase किया, और sports sold यानी sports material sold 1,10,000. So we will getting 2,25,000. अब profit कैसे निकलेगा? Sale price was 1,37,000 and the cost price of this machinery was 1,10,000. So the difference between the two, that is 27,000. So here also we will be getting the answer. Now I think you will be able to do the further questions, children, and I hope you will be able to complete till question number 30 to 35. Thank you very much. Take care and practice the sums. Thank you, children.